Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to access GitHub on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a computer and the GitHub application that you installed. If not, go to the previous videos to see how that is done. And now to access GitHub, you can either press Command Space and then search for GitHub. GitHub desktop, or we can go to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for GitHub again, or we can go to the dock, Finder, Applications, GitHub, double click on this. And now we are on GitHub. The only thing left to do now is to sign in, go into your account, upload the code, go to the website, git commit, see the repositories, quit GitHub. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.